violated. I want it on the record. I was arrested by a lie. I want it on the
Okay,
record.
first of all, I'm
On
going to
the
stop this. I directed this defendant to be in this courthouse in
I got a
person,
bad back, sir.
and he is not here in person.
Sir, I
am not going to sit here and listen to him ramble on and on about everything.
really?
If you're
You
going to
gonna
say
violate
it
my
all, you're
constitutional
going to
rights?
say it to my face.
This courtroom goes from calm to total chaos in seconds. A defendant claiming to be an American state national refuses to say his name, demands the judge show a delegation of power, and insists the court has no jurisdiction. And when the judge orders him to appear in person, he refuses, then makes a statement that gets the detective bureau involved immediately. If you think you've seen courtroom drama before, you haven't seen this.
Court does call the case of the people versus Dwight Miller.
Michael Gaddy's assistant public defender on behalf of Mr. Miller, who's approaching, Judge.
Your name, sir?
Said Dwight Miller.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
You're looking to adjourn this?
Yes, Your Honor. I have received the discovery. I've given Mr. Miller a copy. We need to meet and go over it thoroughly.
October 30th,
That's fine, Judge.
2025, 9 a.m. bond. Thank you.
Oh, yes, Your Honor. If I could address one issue. Mr. Miller has indicated that his phone was seized at the time of arrest. It didn't look like any of these charges stem from any cell phone. I don't know if the court would consider granting that an oral motion to return the phone, or will the court need a written motion for that?
Mr. Gaddy brought this up to me for the first time this morning, and I said I needed to check with the police. I don't have any information about that off the top of my head. And
Yeah, I don't.
Case today, no one talked about that, so I just asked for some time to see if it's been seized as evidence or what's going on with it.
Your Honor, I want to put it on the record. My phone had nothing to do with it.
Okay, I would
Pardon?
advise you not to say anything.
I can't, I won't order something in the dark, so I don't know why.
I can't
If
pay
you
my
say-
bills. I can't pay my bills. All my cards is hooked up.
Okay, so what do you want me to do? Because if you're gonna listen to me, you listen to me. I'm telling you why I can't do anything right now, because I don't know why they took it. I have no idea. I don't know if counsel knows. Certainly the prosecutor doesn't know, so I don't know.
They brought the charges. They pay my bill.
What you're stating is illogical. I'm not even gonna respond to that.
CNA District Court for County Washington, State of Michigan,
Maybe see
Downstairs. They did
from
that.
downstairs.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Court does call the case, people versus Dwight Miller.
Ashley Feltus for the people.
Michael Gaddy, assistant public defender on behalf of Mr. Miller, Your Honor.
He's still muted.
I believe he is orange pants, white shirt, Judge.
I got it.
Oh, I was just happy I could read it.
Thank you for pointing that out. I figured out where he was. Oh, there he is. Mr. Miller, can you state your name, please?
He may be muted, Judge.
No, he's not muted.
Oh.
Sir, can you state your name?
On it for the record. My name is Dwight Miller. I'm American State National. I'm here to challenge jurisdiction. I'm here on special appearance to establish jurisdiction, bro.
Can we approach, Your Honor?
Your Honor, I need to challenge jurisdiction.
Okay, how are you intending on doing that?
Well, Your Honor, can you show me your how I'm supposed to do this? See, it's certain things I can't remember because y'all got me in here and I don't have access to the law books. But it's okay.
Your Honor,
Oh, there are certain things you want me to show
your
you?
delegation of power, sir?
Pardon?
Can you show me your delegation of power and your oath of
My
office?
delegation of power
Yeah, I
Miller,
need,
came from the people of Washington County that elected me. I have the certification of election in back. You want it?
Mr. Miller, as your
I would like
attorney,
a copy of your surety bond,
advise-
please, and your oath of office.
My surety bond. I don't
Yes.
have one. I'm insured by the county.
So you don't have one?
And state.
Okay. You don't have a surety bond, huh? So what's your
Mr. Miller, I'd advise not to-
wear oath to the Constitution, right? Yes or no?
I'd advise you not to continue this line.
Man, I'm in here. I done got victimized this morning. Are you serious? Can I get a breakout room with my attorney or my so-called attorney?
So-called attorney? No, he's a very good attorney, and he's not a so-called attorney, and you'll not refer to him that way because as you won't be disrespected, neither will he.
Okay, may I speak with the attorney in a breakout
You can
room?
do that on your own time. He doesn't get a breakout room here because he's live in the courtroom.
Okay. So
what are we doing with his case now that my jurisdiction has been established?
okay, I'm putting the motion in for dismissal because ain't no so-called witness or victim.
And not end this? Yeah. Oh. Of course, yes, you may.
So how's y'all having a conversation?
Before we jump into the raw courtroom footage, here's what led to the meltdown. The defendant, Dwight Miller, is facing charges, but he insists he was kidnapped, the witnesses lied, and the police seized his phone illegally. He argues the court has no jurisdiction, the judge must show an oath and shy bond, his constitutional rights were violated, and he is an American state national. His attorney tries repeatedly to calm things down, but every time the judge tries to proceed, Dwight interrupts with new claims. And when the judge demands that he appear in person, Dwight pushes the courtroom right to the edge. Here is the full exchange, exactly as it unfolded.
Without me being there.
Okay. Back to the record in the Dwight Miller case. What I'm going to do, Counsel, you're requesting an adjournment in this matter.
I am, Your Honor. Upon information, believe there may be a new case coming. I understand Mr. Miller booked into the
Your
jail
Honor.
at 10 o'clock this morning.
Your Honor.
So I see one
I
case
object.
about.
I object anything she talking about. First and foremost, how was you testifying?
Yeah, what?
First and foremost, Your Honor, I want this charge dismissed, man. At no time given, the lady lied.
I know, I heard your motion to dismiss.
Okay,
I denied
listen.
it already.
Listen, Your Honor, under the Constitution, what is it exactly? The maximums of law. If something comes from a falsehood, what is that? The first words out this woman's mouth, she lied. She made a story up.
Okay, this woman is an assistant prosecutor.
Nobody had no weapon.
I believe he's speaking of the complaining witness, but
the complaining witness. Oh,
but
not Ms.
But
Felton?
Mr. Miller, I would advise you not to say anything more. Given the circumstances, it may be prudent to discuss this matter further and to see there's a couple other things pending, as well as a potential new charge they're indicating. This might be something we want to set over for a week.
No. I'm not worried about no new lies. Look at me. I got beat up this morning, bro. I called Pittsfield police 13 times. I was getting assaulted with motherfucking tasers and shit.
Okay.
I put it on the record. Then all of a sudden they want to switch it up to make it seem like I'm threatening somebody. I ain't threatening no one.
Okay, but we can't resolve all
I never
that today.
threatened no one. The same people that's making these statements, they all three on felony probation. They done got caught.
Okay.
Their house just got
so
raided.
we can't
And
resolve
then they up
that
here
today.
playing line up on me.
Okay, so look, we can't resolve that today. And I think the best thing so that everybody can try to figure out what's going on is I'm going to adjourn it out a week. Rather than 2 weeks. I'll try to expedite it. Let's see if we can get to the bottom of it all. So, probable cause conference.
Your Honor.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned to November 6th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
And I should correct my statement, Your Honor, that MAG thing we discussed at the event, I think it's just the court is going to. I don't know that it's revolving the court. Thank you.
Thank you.
So I just got railroaded, huh?
No, that's not railroaded.
Yeah,
I'll let you know when
because
that.
I'm not consenting to none of this. The lady,
Yeah, cut him. I'm done. I'm so done. Is he gone? I feel a cold coming on for this sick. It's like a hairball. I don't know. Court calls case People versus Dwight Miller.
Mr. Miller, it's my understanding Mr. Miller is, Mr. Miller, I don't know what you're showing us, but what, would you state your name for the record?
American State National. All my rights have been violated. They can't
Did you
produce a
state your
weapon.
name first?
American State National, man. Your Honor, I've been asking for the whole time, man. There ain't no firearm. There never was a firearm. I was kidnapped. My rights was violated. The lady lied on the scene. She said she called the police, said somebody pointed a firearm at her. Then when the police came on the scene, she made that statement again. And then it was proven, the cameras proved none of that happened.
If you want to try to overtalk me, you can. It's not going to work.
Dwight,
It's not the time for you to try to litigate your case.
Where's the
Dwight,
firearm?
Dwight, just listen. I was just appointed yesterday. Mr. Gaddy gave me the discovery this morning. Why don't we ask for a 2-week adjournment and you and I can talk?
Where's the firearm? Where's the so-called person that's the victim that signed the sworn
Any
affidavit?
objection from the people?
No, Your Honor.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned.
I object.
To
I object. I
November
object.
20th.
I object. I object. I don't get
Objections
consent.
noted and denied.
You violate my
November 20th,
constitutional right.
2025,
I
9
ain't about to
a.m.
write you up. I'm about to send up
Bond
a
will
judicial
continue.
review.
And you know what? So
I'm about
let's
to
do
send
it this
judicial
way.
review.
That hearing will be in person. So if you got
My
something to
back
say, you
messed
can
up.
come right here and say,
My
person.
back messed
Thank
up.
you.
You know
Mute
that.
him.
You know my back messed up.
People.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Rob J. Kilwald calling outside Judge Slay's courtroom. Good afternoon, Your Honor. Dwight, would you state your name for the record?
I'm American State National. I'm appearing sui juris. You is not my attorney. That's not working for me. We got a whole issue. All my constitutional rights have been violated. I want it on the record. I was arrested by a lie. I want it on the
Okay,
record.
first of all, I'm
On
going to
the record.
stop this. I directed this defendant to be in this courthouse in
I got a
person.
bad back, sir.
And he is
I
not
got-
here in person.
Sir, I
I am not going to sit here
I
and
got a
listen to
medical
him
issue.
ramble on and on about everything.
Oh, really?
I don't
So you
mind
gonna
hearing
violate
from
my
people, but I
constitutional
tell
rights?
you, if you're
You
going to
gonna
say
violate
it
my
all, you're
constitutional
going to
rights?
say it to my face. Bench
You gonna
warrant will
violate
issue
my
for defendant's
constitutional
failure
rights?
to appear. No
I
bond.
am here.
We'll get
I
him
can't.
here.
I got a
Thank
medical
you.
issue.
You
So
can
you gonna
mute
violate
him.
my
Thank you,
constitution-
Mr. Kilowald.
Okay, Judge. Thank you. Judge, if I may say, he does have some medical issues. That being said, all I wanted to do was set it for exam.
Well, when he gets here and graces our doorstep, I'll be more than happy to set it.
All right, I'll bring my constitutional book. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Mr.
Bye.
Kilowald. Court does call the case, People versus Gary Coward.
People.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Hey, Simpson, I'm coming to see you, bro. You violated my constitutional right. I am coming to see you, bro.
Hey, I hope you are not making a threat against me, because that's going to cause you a whole bunch of other problems. Get that number. Yeah, I bet you it did log out. Get that number. It will have the full number. We'll go find him. Get the detective bureau on that, please. All right, let's go. You don't want to come up here now, do you? I know. He's just standing there like, man, I just, oh, my name, I'm just up
Do you
here.
want me to knock her detective bureau for you?
Pardon?
Do you want me to reach out to the DB?
I think he is.
Okay. Yeah.
Your name, sir?
Gary Coward.
Who's representing Mr. Coward? Mr. Bird?
I am. Sorry, Your Honor. Good morning. Good afternoon. May it please the Honorable Court, David Burgess on behalf of Gary Coward. I'm appearing via Zoom, Judge, because it seems a little scary in your courtroom today. So.
Wow.
After multiple warnings, repeated interruptions, jurisdictional arguments, and one statement that sounded a lot like a threat, the courtroom had no choice but to shut down the hearing. Moments like this show how fast a routine court appearance can spiral when a defendant refuses to participate in the legal process. If you want more real courtroom breakdowns, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. New episodes drop every day. And comment below, was the judge too patient or not patient enough.